Welcome everyone. Now we will be discussing the spiritual benefits of sugar and how it is used in spirituality. Sugar has been used for centuries as a sweetener and flavor enhancer, but it also holds deep spiritual meanings. In spirituality, sugar represents the sweetness and purity of our intentions, as it is a natural, earthy, and simple ingredient. When we use sugar in our spiritual life, it helps us to maintain balance and harmony, as it is both nourishing and indulgence. To combine sugar and eggs in spirituality, start by choosing a sacred space and time to reflect on your intentions. Next, break an egg and sprinkle the shells around you, allowing the sugar to dissolve. Stand in a circle and offer your intentions to the universe, while savoring the sweetness of the egg. The meaning of sugar in spirituality is all about embracing the simplicity and purity of our intentions, while the egg symbolizes the life force and energy that connects us to the divine. By combining these two ingredients, we can create a sacred ritual that nourishes our spiritual journey and promotes balance and growth. Secondly, in spirituality, sugar can symbolize the sweetness of life and the desire for happiness and satisfaction. When combined with eggs, sugar becomes a powerful symbol of creation and life. As eggs are the base of many human societies and hold deep cultural significance, the use of sugar and eggs in spirituality can help to create a warm, nurturing atmosphere and promote a sense of unity and balance. To combine sugar and eggs in spirituality, start by adding a small amount of sugar to an egg white, which represents the light and purity of the soul. Then, gently mix in the sugar until the egg is fully coated. This process helps to harmonize the spiritual senses and bring balance to one's life. In conclusion, sugar, when used in moderation and symbolically, can provide sweetness and joy in our spiritual lives. By incorporating sugar and eggs into our spiritual practices, we can create a serene environment and experience the beauty of life. If you enjoyed watching our video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below for more videos. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video.